Charles, I'm 54 years old. I'm 6'1". When I fully assembled, I weigh about 235 pounds. I'm going to show you a simple trick. It's one of those things that's obvious once you've seen it, but it's my sock trick. Now, and most of the time, I am just wearing some tennis shoes and those real short socks on my prosthetic leg. Sometimes it's just not reasonable to wear tennis shoes. In that case, I put on a regular shoe, I put on a sock. One of the things, a colored sock, one of the things that's annoyed me, always annoyed me, is seeing guys with prosthetic legs, and this was before I ever had one, and their socks are always running down. What I figured out, even back then, before I needed to do it myself, was this is a perfect time for a rubber band. I just put my shoe on, my sock on normal, put my shoe on, just take a rubber band and roll it over my foot, pull it up here around my sock, and then just take a little twist and hook it on that little ratchet knob, and that's going to hold my socks up. They'll stay up there until I take it off. That's a simple thing I do to take care of my socks.